What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the first decentralized digital currency. Bitcoins are digital coins you can send through the internet. Compared to other alternatives, Bitcoins have a number of advantages. Bitcoins are transferred directly from person to person via the net, without going through a bank or clearinghouse. This means that the fees are much lower. You can use them in every country. Your account cannot be frozen, and there are no prerequisites or arbitrary limits. Let's look at how it works. Several currency exchanges exist where you can buy and sell Bitcoins for dollars, euros, and more. Your Bitcoins are kept in your digital wallet on your computer or mobile device. Sending Bitcoins is as simple as sending an email, and you can purchase anything with Bitcoin. The Bitcoin network is secured by individuals called miners. Miners are rewarded newly generated Bitcoins for verifying transactions. After transactions are verified, they are recorded in a transparent public ledger. Bitcoin opens up a whole new platform for innovation. The software is completely open source and anyone can review the code. Bitcoin is changing finance the same way the web changed publishing. When everyone has access to a global market, great ideas flourish. Bitcoins are a great way for businesses to minimize transaction fees. It doesn't cost anything to start accepting them, and it's easy to set up. There are no chargebacks, and you'll get additional business from the Bitcoin economy.
Hello, good morning. This is Chris again. This is the Airbit Club income plan presentation or the compensation plan. So, touch muna po natin yung company natin. Airbit Club is a trust company. Owner are private investors. It was established in Panama City, Central America. It was operating since October 2015. Ngayon po, ang core business natin is doing Bitcoin mining and trading and other cryptocurrencies. This is an online business and offered contracts of Bitcoin mining. So from the time na nag-start po sila, noong 2015, their capitalization is $30 million. So that time po, ang price ng Bitcoin is only $300. Okay? So sa ngayon po, medyo mataas na po yung price ng Bitcoin, $2,100, and it's still growing. So these are the companies that invested in Bitcoin infrastructures. Okay. Ito po yung ating office. It is located po sa likod lang po ng Robinson's Galleria. Okay, kung makikita nyo po yan. It's a room 2006, 28th floor Robinson's Equitable Tower, ADB Avenue, Ortigas, Pasig City. So paglabas nyo po dun sa likod, nasa right side lang po siya. Hindi nyo po kinakailangan tumawid. Okay? So dahil napanood nyo na po yung mga tungkol sa Bitcoin, so syempre po ang gusto po natin ay mag-participate or makakuha po ng kahit nga po isang Bitcoin. So would you like to be part and take advantage of Bitcoin industry? So would you like to generate profits with Airbit Club with its trading platform and its affiliate program? So alam po natin na tataas po talaga yung price ng Bitcoin by the end of this year. It is expected to increase to $3,000 to $3,500. So i-grab po natin yung opportunity. So how Airbit Club works? So you join the club with any of the memberships available. We will use those Bitcoins to trade cryptocurrencies. So para pong isang tindahan na magbibigay po tayo ng puhunan and then mag-iintay lang po tayo ng tubo. Okay? So 48% of Bitcoins will be used to pay compensation plan for all affiliates and 52% will be used to increase the power of trading. So, Airbit Club is a trading platform of cryptocurrencies. Para din po itong Forex. Okay? Ang maganda lang po dito, daily po ang income and pwede nyo pong ma-withdraw every day. Meron lang pong minimum withdrawal. So, dito po with an automated Bitcoin distribution algorithm, payments and deposits are automatic and encrypted. So, dito po, kung tayo po ay willing bumili ng isang Bitcoin, pwede po natin gawin. So, ito pong slide po na to is 120,000 po sa ngayon. Ang tanong lang po is, can we now afford the price? So, kung ako po ang tatanungin, sa ngayon po, hindi ko po kaya. So, ang gagawin po natin, we participate in their membership. Okay? So, yung tinatawag po natin na Blockchain Distributed Technology and Affiliate Program. So, para din po itong stock market, kung aware po kayo dun sa stock market, yung mutual fund na tinatawag, we gather funds. Okay? So, kung mabuo po natin yung 120,000 at mag-perform po tayo sa trading, yun po yung bibigyan po natin ng tubo or dividends, depende po sa puhunang ibinigay po nila. Kasi siyempre, iba naman po ang, iba naman po ang tubo na ibinibigay sa isang namuhunan ng 1 milyon kumpara nyo po sa 5,000 lang. Okay? So, for example, ng trading, bumili po tayo ng $2,000 na isang Bitcoin and then na-sell po natin ng $2,009. So, ang profit per Bitcoin po is $9. So, kung ang na-trading po natin is 1,000 Bitcoins, ang profit po niyan is $9,000. So, yan po yung paghahati-hatian po ng lahat ng members. Depende po sa puhunan po nilang inilagay sa ating club. Okay? So, where to buy and sell Bitcoin? So, ito po international. Dito po sa Philippines, pwede po tayong mag-download ng app na coins.ph. So, ito po ay Bitcoin is for everyone here in the Philippines. Okay? So, ganito po ang itsura ng Bitcoin. So, once you log into a computer, ito po yung itsura niya. And then, mapansin nyo, pag-click nyo po ng Bitcoin, ito po yung tinatawag nyo pong Bitcoin wallet. Okay? Kasi ito po yung tinatawag na electronic wallet na kailangan po natin kung tayo po ay magpa-participate kay Airbit. Kasi si Bitcoin, ta-transfer lang po natin dito. And then, mapupunta po yan sa electronic wallet po natin. Okay? So, ito po yung itsura ng electronic wallet natin. So, how to encash Bitcoin. So, ito po yon, Airbit Club. Create po tayo ng e-wallet and then once na mapunta po doon sa ating coins.ph, meron din po doong process wherein we can transfer it to Cebuana, Security Bank, GCash, any banks, cash pick up or cash reward. Ituturo naman po natin yung mga technicalities tungkol po dito. Okay? So, meron po tayong business opportunity which is the passive income and the active income. Okay, yung passive income po, kung alam nyo po yan, of course, yung kahit wala kang gawin, pwede po kayong kumita. And then the active income, pagtatrabahuhin po natin ang business po na ito. Okay? So, ito po yung ating mga business plan prepared affiliates. Pag executive, that's $250. Ang rate po natin to be safe is $53. So, mga 13,250 po ang executive. So, bibigyan po namin kayo ng 200 points. Mamaya i-discuss ko po kung ano po yung points na yan. And then, ang profit po natin daily is within 150 business days. Ngayon, sa executive, sa ngayon po, ang kanyang daily profit is ranging from $1 to $3. So, hindi po yan fixed. So, minsan po $0.99. So, basta po yung inyo pong membership na $250, that is only for 150 business days. Ngayon po, pag natapos na po yan, mawawala lang po yung inyong daily rewards. Hindi po mawawala po yung inyong account. Okay? Mamaya po, malalaman nyo kung ano pa po yung use ng inyong account. Okay? Pag corporate, that's mga 26,500 po yan. $500, that is 400 points. Meron po tayong 225 business days. Okay? Ibig sabihin, bibigyan po kayo ng profit ng company sa kanyang trading daily ng 225 business days except Saturday and Sunday po. Even executive po, Saturday and Sunday po, wala po yan. Even sa pro, ganun din po. That's $1,000, mga 53,000 pesos. So that is 900 volume points, and then bibigyan po kayo ng company ng profit or daily profit within 300 business days. Okay? So, sa ngayon po, ang profit na ibinibigay po ni Airbit sa Pro is $7 to $10. Okay? So, ito pong mga tinatawag na cycle, yung 7 business days, 1 renewal fee, i-discuss po natin yan dahil po ito po ay mining contract. Ibig sabihin, every 75 business days, kailangan nyo pong mag-renew manually sa ating website. Pero yung pong renewal is hindi po yan nakabase doon po sa executive plan. Okay? Nakabase po yan doon po sa kung ano po yung nakuha nyo pong daily rewards. May system naman po si company na magtatabi po siya ng tinatawag na savings wallet, and pag dumating na po yung inyong renewal fee, hindi po masyadong masakit po ito sa bulsa. So, ituturo po natin yan once you become a member of Airbit Club. Okay? So, meron din po tayong mga silver, VIP premium affiliates, silver, $15,000. We have gold, $31,000. Platinum, $63,000. So, kayo na lang po ang bahalang mag-compute po niya. So, meron din po siya mga points, 12,000 points, 26,000 points, and 54,000 points or volume. So, meron din po siyang 5 cycles. Wala pong renewal fee ang mga VIP premium affiliates. So, dito lang po sa silver, bigyan po kayo niya ng profit na 375 business days. So, meaning, kung kayo po ay nag-member ng ganito pong amount, ang average po niyan ngayon is $105. Meaning, you can earn at least 5,200 per day. Okay, wala po kayong gagawin. Passive income lang po yan kasi si Airbit na po ang bahala sa trading. And then sa gold, ganun po, 450 business days. And then the profit for platinum is 525 business days. Okay? So ito po yung summary ng ating what we call this passive income. So mapansin nyo po yung executive at $250, mga approximately naging honest po si Airbit kasi po at least makakakuha po kayo ng $200. Ngayon parang lugi kayo ng $50, tama? So ang gagawin lang po nyo dyan, stay nyo lang po yung inyong pera doon po sa ating system because ang Bitcoin naman po tumataas para makabawi po kayo. At least mga 1 to 2 months po, no? So sa corporate, ganun din po, no? At least pinaka-conservative is $3 to $6, mga $600. So tumubo po tayo ng mga $100. So kung nasa savings account po natin, okay na rin po, no? Hindi na rin po masama. Kung pro, that is $1,000, 300 business days, mga $7 to $10. So, ang pinaka-conservative po ay nasa $500 po yung possible income. Pero, kung uunawain po ninyo yung $7 to $10, ipagpalagay na lang po natin na $7 times 300. Okay? That is $2,100. Kung $2,100 po yan, i-times na lang po natin sa 50, that is 105,000. So kung namuhunan po kayo ng mga 50 to 53,000, kumita po kayo ng almost 50,000. So almost double your money. Sa ngayon po, yan po yung nagiging profit po ni Airbit Club pagdating po sa kanyang trading. Okay? So dito po sa silver, $15,000, that is $105 po sa ngayon. Okay? So, kung pinaka-conservative po na bumalik po sa inyo, mga $26,250. Then, $31,000, that is $59,500. That is the conservative part. $63,000, that is $147,000. Kasi po, mas malaki po ang profit distribution po nito. Ito po yon. So, distribution of trading profits. Like for executive, 30%. Corporate, 40%, pro is 50%. So, ito po yung $250, $500, and $1,000. Ito rin po yung silver, 52%, gold, 54%, platinum is 60%. So, syempre po, mas malaki ang puhunan nyo, mas malaki po yung inyong distribution of profit. Okay? So, meron din po tayong tinatawag na rewards program. Ito po yung sinasabi ko po sa inyo kanina na active income. Okay? So, gagawin po natin yung business kung gusto po natin. So, ito po yon. Okay? Unang incentive po natin kung gagawin po natin ang business is yung tinatawag na Fast Start Direct Sponsorship. Wherein meron po tayong bonus na 20%. Okay? So, paano po yan? So, like for example, naging member na po kayo ni Airbit and then you are going to sell as well your Bitcoin membership. So, meron po tayong executive, meron pong papasok po sa inyong $50. Okay, kung ma-encode nyo po ang inyong member 2 p.m. within the day, kinabukasan po nasa inyo na po yan. Okay, corporate, that is $100. And then pro, $200. Silver, $3,000. Gold is $6,200. Platinum is $12,600. So, meaning 20% po ng inyo pong napapasok. Kaya pong ibigay po ni Airbit yan dahil kumikita po talaga sila sa trading. Okay, so this is the Fast Start Direct Sponsorship bonus. Second, meron po tayong tinatawag na Force Matrix Indirect Sponsorship. So ito po yung kailangan po mag-create po kayo ng 3 direct referral. So doon po meron kayong makukuha na $10. So ibig sabihin itong 3 po na to kakilala niya po ito. Okay? And then, $10 din po yun. Kumbaga, ito po yung kakilala ninyo. Meron po kayong mga $10 po dyan. Okay? So, kung familiar po kayo sa MLM, mauunawaan nyo po ito. Pero meron pong limit. Kasi, kung kayo po ay executive, up to 5th level lang po kayo. Kasi yun lang naman po ang puhunan nyo, $250. Ngayon, kung gusto nyo pong umabot po ng up to 9th level, kayo po ay mag-corporate or mag-upgrade from executive to corporate. So, aabot po yan ng up to 9th level. And then, kung kayo po ay lumalaki na yung organization, 10th to 18th level kung kayo po ay pro. Ngayon, kung kayo po ay corporate lang, nag-member, and then you want to reach the up to 18th level maximum dun sa ating Force Matrix, mag-upgrade lang po kayo sa pro. Mag-a-add lang po kayo dito ng $500. So, pwede pong i-upgrade ang any membership. Okay, para po makuha po natin yung mga incentive. Meron din po tayong tinatawag na binary bonus. So, kailangan po, to qualify for the binary bonus, kailangan meron po kayong direct sa left, direct sa right. Hindi po pwede na spill over. Meaning, meron po kasing mga cases po dito na bigay lang po ni upline yung nasa left or kaya bigay ni upline yung nasa right. So, kailangan po may direct po kayo sa left, direct po sa right para po ma-qualify po kayo sa tinatawag na direct sponsorship. So, hindi po tayo nakabase sa tao, nakabase po tayo sa kung magkano po yung points or volume. Okay, ito po yon. So pag executive, ito po yung sinasabi ko kanina, 200 points, 400, 900, 12,000, 26,000, 54,000. So mapansin nyo, 200 sa left, 200 sa right, that's $20. 400 sa left, 400 sa right, that's $40. 900 sa left, 900 sa right, that is $80. So mapansin nyo, ang nag-pair lang po dito is the $800. Okay? So yung pong 100 points, sorry, 900 points, 900 points, yung pong 100 points magki-carry over lang po yan. Wala po tayong flash out in terms of points. Nagki-carry over lang po siya. So meron po kayong $80. So kung 12,000 points, that's $600. So yan lang po. Kumbaga dito po ang simple computation po ng ating binary points is 10% of the weak leg. Okay? Ibig sabihin, for example, 400 points sa left, 400 points sa right. So, kung may pumasok na 900, yung pong 500 magki-carry over. So, 400, 10% po ng $40 po ang makuha nyo para po mas simple. Ganun po yung ating binary bonus. So, meron po tayong binary bonus maximum per day per week. We have the executive, $500 lang po yung inyong limit. Kung kayo po ay member nito, kay $2,500. And then, pag corporate, that's $1,000. Pag pro, that's $10,000. Okay? So, meron pong diskarte dito kung napapansin nyo na lumalaki na po yung inyong income, malapit na pong lumampas ng $500, so upgrade na po kayo sa corporate. Kasi magiging $1,000 na po yung inyong income. And then, pag alam nyo din na lumalampas na siya, upgrade naman po kayo sa Pro. So, because the maximum income is $10,000. So, dito rin po sa Silver, Gold, and Platinum, yun lang po ang kaya pong ibigay ni company, $10,000 per account. So, ibig sabihin, pwede po tayong kumita ng $50,000 per week. Yung pong Saturday and Sunday, wala po tayong rewards po yan dahil yan po isa rin po sa mga safety net po ng company natin. Okay? Even po doon sa ating daily rewards. So, Monday to Friday lang po. Pero kung meron pong Saturday and Sunday na pumasok po ng mga bonus, mga matrix, ipi-pay out naman po sa atin yun ng company. So pagdating po sa maximum income, ito lang po yung ating possible na income. Okay? So ito po yung sinasabi ko po kanina na kung mamamaximize nyo pa po ang inyong income, kung lampas na po kayo ng 18th level, kasi meron po tayong tinatawag na Automatic Residual System Retirement Plan. So meaning, kung ikaw ay executive, yung first to 5th level, that is $0.99. Kung 6th level up to 9th level, that is $0.27. And then 10 to 36 level, that is $0.27. So corporate, ganun din po. First to 9th level, that is $1.80. And then 10 to 36 level, $0.90 po yan. So, kung kayo po ay mag-pro and then silver, mas malalim po, no? Up to 63 levels. So, $2.70 up to 1st to 18th level, and then 19 to 36 level yung pong 1.26, and then 37 to 63 levels 0.90 po, no? And then silver ganun din po, no? Mas malalaki po yung silver. And then gold, platinum, o tingnan nyo na lang po, makita nyo naman po yung tapat-tapat po niya kung magkano po yung inyong magiging automatic residual system retirement plan. Okay, so ito po, kukunin po to sa inyo monthly at ilalagay po sa inyong savings wallet. Like for example, kung ikaw ay executive, that's $19.99. Pagka kayo po ay corporate, $49.99. Pag pro, that is $99.99. Pag silver, ito po yung amount, platinum, gold and platinum. So yan po yan. So i-post nyo na lang po para makita nyo po kung paano po yung system ni Airbit in terms of retirement plan. So ito po yung kauna-unahan pong Bitcoin ATM dito po sa Pilipinas. Located po ito sa Sunet Tower, Hotel Manila Lobby, Durman Street, Makati Avenue, Makati, Metro Manila. Nakapunta na po ako dyan. Yan po, one time nag-visit po ako dyan. Yan po yung itsura ng Bitcoin ATM. So, dito po sa Philippines, actually, ang Bitcoin ATM po is 5. Hindi po nakasama yung nasa Resorts World. Meron na rin po tayo sa Resorts World. Okay, Makati po, ito yung nasa Sunet, Quezon City, Taguig. So, pwede ko pong i-provide sa inyo yung link po nito kung saan makikita nyo po ang ATM worldwide. Sa US po, nasa 900 plus na po ang ATM po doon. Okay? So, dito po sa atin, mga 5 pa lang. So, darating po ang panahon na dadami rin po talaga ang Bitcoin ATM dito sa Philippines. So, ganito po ang itsura niya. Okay? So, doon po sa nakita ko pong Bitcoin ATM, parang kung meron po kayong pera sa mobile phone ninyo, itatap nyo lang po. No? Ituturo po natin yung procedure na yan kung paano po kayo makakapag-withdraw once na meron po tayong Bitcoin ATM. So, yan po yung Bitcoin ATMs by country. Mapansin nyo po United States, nasa 900 locations. So, Australia, Japan, Czech Republic, Switzerland, Finland, yan po yung mga numbers of Bitcoin all around the world. So, Philippines 4. Pero dapat po ano yan, 5 na po yan. Okay? So, mapansin nyo po yan. So, talaga pong ang Bitcoin is spreading all over the world. So, wag na po tayo magduda tungkol sa Bitcoin. So, ano lang po tayo, jump in po tayo sa Airbit Club membership. Okay? So, ito po yung price ng Bitcoin 2009. Pagpalagay na po natin, piso lang siya. And then, nung pong June 2017, actually umabot siya ng 142,000. Kasi po ang Bitcoin, babataas po yan. So, imagine niyo na lang po, kung bumili tayo ng 500 pesos noong 2009, may 500 Bitcoin tayo ngayon. Okay? Kung ang price po ng Bitcoin is 120,000, that's 60 million pesos. So, na-miss po natin yung opportunity. So, don't miss the opportunity again. Kasi po, honestly, yun pong kaibigan ko na nag-invite sa akin dito last year, July 2016, hindi ko po pinaniwalaan kasi akala ko hindi totoo, hindi po totoo si Bitcoin. So, nung na-research ko po, binalikan niya po ako nung June 13, 2017. Almost 1 year po, no? So, nakita ko po talaga sa kaibigan kong yun na talagang naging multi-millionaire na po siya. He earned already 25 million in a matter of 14 months doing this business or Bitcoin trading. So, dito po, medyo malaki na rin po ang kinita ko. I started June 18, 2017 and approximately mga 2 figures na rin po ang kinita ko na lampas po ng 50,000. So, ganun na lang po siya kaganda. So, tinutuloy-tuloy ko lang po yung business and I'm just offering this to my friends kahit po hindi ko po mga kakilala. Even po sa mga OFW, malaking tulong po ito. Okay? So, ito yung sinasabi ko po ng mga doubt killers kung kayo po ay nagdududa pa. So, if someone will advise you who's the person that you are going to listen to, a millionaire or to a billionaire. So, even the most, famous and the richest man in the world, si Bill Gates po, siya na po ang nagsabi na Bitcoin is exciting because it shows how cheap its financial transactions can be. So, mapapanood nyo naman po yan sa mga video po niya na siya po talaga ang nagsabi po niyan. Okay? So, makikita nyo rin po kung ano yung nangyayari sa mga first world country. Italian taxi firm now accepts Bitcoin. Major franchise installed 11 Bitcoin ATMs in cafes across Canada. Even po yung mga financial institution like MasterCard releases blockchain. Yun pong blockchain is yun po yung public ledger na kung saan makikita po natin ang Bitcoin. Okay? Ito po, sa Canada, June 19, 2015, and here in the Philippines, na-legitimize na po ang Bitcoin as a payment method. That, it is issued last February 12, 2017 ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. So, legal po yung atin pong gagawin. Even Microsoft, so pag-aari po ni Bill Gates, even po yung Poland's largest food delivery, gagamitin po ang Bitcoin. Even China Central Bank, okay, World Bank, even Burger King in Russia are going to accept Bitcoin as a payment form. Okay, AIG. So AIG is the largest insurance company in the world. So AIG issues first insurance policy based on blockchain technology. Kasi pag naintindihan niyo po talaga yung Bitcoin, makikita niyo po napaka-secured ng kanyang nature. Suddenly, Bitcoin to be officially legal in India. Kasi dati po ayaw po nila, pero dahil po hindi po nila mapigilan, even in Brazil, even in China, dati po nakaban po talaga ang Bitcoin, pero ngayon po na-accept na po talaga nila yung importance ni Bitcoin. Okay? Even po in Australia will recognize Bitcoin as money and protect Bitcoin businesses. Ang maganda po dito, no taxes. Na-release lang po ito noong July 1. So, ano pong date ngayon? July 19. So, almost 18 days pa lang po, no? So, Bitcoin will be treated as money in Australia by July 1, 2017 and will be exempt from goods and services tax. Bitcoin traders and investors, so tayo po yan, will not be taxed for purchasing and selling Bitcoin through regulated exchanges and trading platforms. So, ibig sabihin, kung mag-join po yung ating mga kaibigan sa Airbit Club at tayo po ay mag-trade po ng Bitcoin po doon, walang tax. Yun po ang kagandahan po sa ating mga Australian friends. Over the past 2 years, the Australian Bitcoin exchange market significantly fell behind growing market such as South Korea, meron rin po tayo Japan, that control more than half of the global Bitcoin exchange market share. So once you become a member of Airbit Club, magkakaroon po kayo ng sarili nyo pong username and password wherein mamomonitor nyo po yung system. May mga ituturo naman po tayong technicalities about Airbit Club on how you can do this, how you can transfer your commission from Airbit Club to your coins.ph app. Okay? So, i-click nyo lang po yung mga link na nasa baba para mapanood nyo po yung ibang video tungkol po sa Airbit. Okay? So, lalo na po dun sa mga kababayan po na natin nasa ibang bansa, especially mga OFW, tingnan nyo po ang opportunity ito dahil napakaganda po nito. At the same time, meron po kayong peace of mind kasi hindi po ito katulad ng ibang business na kailangan yung mag-demo, magbenta. Hindi ko po minamasama yung may mga produkto. Ito lang po yung new era wherein wala kayong bit-bit na produkto pero legal po ito, no? So, kasi nagpa-participate po tayo sa trading platform, kailangan nyo lang po talaga ng tamang membership para po dito. So, kung meron po kayong questions, just message me. May contact number po ako sa baba ng video na ito. Kung sino man po din ang nag-introduce sa inyo ng business po na ito, please respect. Okay? Puntahan nyo po or tanungin nyo po yung tao po na yon. Okay? So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat and makakatulong po ito sa maraming tao. Thank you.